Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change font size on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to change the font size on this device can be beneficial for several reasons. First, accessibility. Increasing the font size can make text easier to read for users with visual impairments or difficulty reading small text. Second, customization. Changing the font size allows you to personalize your device display to better suit your preferences and comfort level. And third, clarity. Adjusting the font size can improve the clarity and legibility to text on your device screen, making it easier to navigate menus, read messages, or browse the web. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Settings menu, and then select Display and Brightness option. Okay, so now scroll down till you find Font Size option and tap on it. Well, and here you can drag this slider to the left side or to the right side according to your preferences and needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font size on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.